What's up guys, back with the C8 Z06. We're doing a quick install video today on a new part, which is the X brace right here. This brace is from EOS, Extreme Online Store. You can see it's in carbon flash, matches the OEM carbon flash. It's got the Jake logo, which is a nice touch. The brace also comes with hardware, longer screws, washers, all that stuff. The main tool you're going to need is a T40 torque spit, so go ahead and get one of these and you'll be all set. So I'll show you some close-up shots, how to install this in the engine bay, and then we'll do some before and after videos. Overall, super easy install, took about 5-10 minutes. All the holes lined up perfectly, zero issues, and looks really good. As always, if you guys have any questions, put them in the comments. Happy to help out. Like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff really helps the channel, and thanks for watching.